Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to power on and power off your Huawei Watch GT 3. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy to power on your watch. Just press this button, keep pushing until you see Huawei logo. Now remove your finger and wait for a few seconds. And now to power off again, push it long on this button, keep pushing for a few seconds, and now select power off, and again power off, and just wait for a few seconds. That's all. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.